In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your Threads badge on Instagram. Okay, so on my specific phone, I actually have something not that's a badge, but this profile shortcut right there that looks like that. Okay, so I'm on an Android phone, so you may be experiencing something similar. But if you want to remove that, okay, and if you're on an iPhone or something, you'll have a Threads badge on your bio underneath your profile name actually. Okay, so if you want to remove this badge or shortcut, okay, just long press on it and then it says remove. Okay. Then you just hit remove and then that'll be removed, and it says you can add it back by going to edit profile. Now I'm not too sure if that's the case on an iPhone, but I'll just have to double check that. So you just hit remove, it'll be gone. And if you want to get it back, for me, I just go to edit profile and put it back, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.